welcome to episode number 6 of Flare Oracle Live. It's already the 6th Sunday of 2024. It's 11th of February. Time goes fast. Let's get over the news really quickly right now. So, Ethereum to launch Dencum upgrade March 13, introducing blobs for layer 2 scaling. What does that mean? That means this update promises to improve how data is stored within the Ethereum network by introducing blobs, additional data spaces within blocks that aim to enhance storage capacity while maintaining block finality times. Blobs are expected to significantly benefit Ethereum's layer 2 blockchain by accommodating more transactions within the network's blocks, thereby reducing layer 2 fees, which is very much needed because Ethereum faces growing competition in blockchain industry. According to research from Flipside, a sizable portion of EVM users is exploring alternatives due to lower fees and faster transaction speeds offered by emerging solutions. So the Flipside research report here, you see that they have it's very interesting. You should maybe open it and read through it. But this is the prediction outlook for 2024. You see more Web3 users will engage with multiple chains. During the last bull run, the vast majority of EVM compatible layer 2 chains and Ethereum competitors were still in their nascent stages. The concept of bridging between different chains was unfamiliar to most crypto users and impractical in some cases. And those who made the attempt faced numerous challenges and risks. Numerous challenges and risks, all the things that we are like on top of this new trend with Flare Network, and I think it's gonna catch some of the eyes within the blockchain industry this year. Next, Genesis seeks approval to sell 1.6 billion in Bitcoin Ether Trust holdings. So Genesis went bankrupt, they filed for bankruptcy, and they now want to sell their holdings. They've been holding not only Bitcoin but also Ether, and I believe also Ethereum Classic. So BTC, ETH, and ETC. In January, bankruptcy exchange FTX sold over 1 billion worth of GBTC holdings that coincided with the price dropping to 39,000 from 49,000. So the last month there was the kind of a similar sell-off from FTX that also filed, they also went bust, and they sold also 1 billion of Bitcoin, $1 billion of Bitcoin. So now 1.6 billion of Bitcoin, Ether, and Ethereum Classic is going to be sold by Genesis because they went bankrupt, which is probably going to suppress the price rise that's happening right now a little bit. Coinmarketcap announced that this week's crypto scoreboard lights up with Flare FLR leading the charge. Which token is currently in your portfolio? I know it's in yours because you're watching this. Here, Flare showed up on top of CoinMarketCap. Right now it's on the position 65. Back then it was on position 60, but now it's at 65. It was doing really good because I think 2 weeks ago it was still in the below the 100 position. So that's what happened last week. What else happened last week? We had to claim our Flare drop number 12. It was out. If you hold wrapped Flare tokens, you're qualified for this Flare drops, or if you are staking your FLR on the network, then you also are eligible to claim the 12th Flare drop of all the Flare drops, because there are in total 36, so 24 Flare drops left. What else? More than 7 billion FLR are not wrapped or staked, hence missing out on the monthly Flare drops. So there seems to be 7 billion FLR in wallets of people who are not wrapping them and are not staking them, and they're also missing out on Flare drops. If you're new to Flare, please follow us, ask us questions wherever. We were glad to help you out and answer your questions. I know in the beginning we were always posting things to help you out and little steps you had to take to wrap your tokens and stuff. We might not have been doing that enough lately, so we're gonna push that a little bit more right now. What else? Stake FLR using MetaMask or Wallet Connect. So next to using your Bifrost wallet, you can now also just use MetaMask. Looks like this. You go to portal.flare.network/staking and then you connect your wallet. It's very easy. You connect your MetaMask wallet. You can also go on your phone with your MetaMask app. You can go into the tab where you browse, and you browse to this page, portal.flare.network staking. Oh, now I did something strange. I went to a different page. Okay, and then you click stake and you enter the amount. It has to be a minimum of 50,000 and a minimum of 14 days, and then you stake to whatever FTSO you wish. Another 66 million FLR gone, pushing the total burn to 397.76 million FLR has been burned. Which, there's more FLR burned. The total number of FLR burned on Flare is 774 million on the dead address right now. And Songbird is burned also 271 million, consisting of 268 million on the dead address and 2 million original burn address. Important update for FTSO delegators. The infrastructure provider management group has submitted 6 Songbird and 2 Flare chill proposals, which have been assessed by the Flare Foundation, who have concurred with the management group's assessment to take action against the following data providers. So FLR Labs, Strike 2, it's going to be out. Do not delegate, do not stake with them. Civil FTSO, been a bad FTSO, is also colluding, and I think it was colluding with FLR Labs. Anonymous provider, Best FTSO has been on strike 2 already. They've been colluding a lot more. So these are going to go and get frozen. So if you're staking to them or if you're delegating to them, 0 rewards for you. They're not getting any rewards this next epochs, and they're probably going to be removed from being providing to the network at all. So let's look at the market. Looks like Bitcoin has climbed up back from going down after, this was when FTX was selling. We're selling this 1 billion worth of Bitcoin in January. And they say now there's going to be another sell-off from Genesis, who also went bankrupt. And who knows? It looks overbought. It looks like it's making a double top. And it looks like it could go down, but we don't know. It looks good. Here you have the halving. It's almost coming to the halving. I don't know if you see my cursor. Yeah, the halving is nearing. So yeah, it's not far away. We will see. I don't know what's going to do. Looks like it making a double top. Here we see FLR. It looks like it's going to continue to rise. It has continued rise before, so it looks like it's not overbought. It looks like it's making a nice little bull pennant. After going up, making a pennant like this often tells you that it's gonna keep on going in the same direction. That's the bull pennant. You also have a bear pennant, means when it comes from the top. This time it's a bull pennant. Songbird made a cup and handle, which also indicates that it's gonna continue the trend that it was going in before. Well, the trend was going up, made a cup and handle. Looks like it's going up again. Here's the cup and handle. It's not that I just made this up. So from the market watch, we're gonna go straight into the updates. We're gonna skip Flare builders for this week. We're gonna catch up next week with them. So here we have staking on Flare, delegating on Songbird, and providing liquidity on Songbird and holding some XRP. Those 5 positions I started on the 2nd of February 2024. At that time, they were all worth $1,292 for 50,000 FLR. So also $1,292 for 137,000 Songbird and 2,566 XRP. Was also $1,292 at that moment. And here on the right, you can see in the dark letters, you can see the dollar value that I got profit from till that time, and you see the percentage gains also in dark value. And in the light gray, you see the rewards in tokens. The tokens that I got from flare drops is this mostly, because I didn't get claim any staking rewards yet. Here you see the flare drops, including the delegation rewards, because I did get some delegation rewards on flare. Here you see that Songbird made $723 of profit since I started, and it made 307 Songbird delegation rewards. It made 736 profits on the Fortuna token liquidity pool and 2,952 Songbird rewards. And XRP, $62 in profit, which is much less, of course. It has no DeFi protocol added, so it has 0 rewards. Maybe when the FXRP DeFi protocol is ready, then maybe we can make some rewards on the XRP also. But for now, we are delegating Songbird, we're delegating Flare, and we're staking Flare, and we're providing liquidity on Songbird, and which is the big winner right now, providing liquidity to the Fortuna token. Here you see it made $736 profit since the 2nd of February. I would not recommend you to try to copy this or take some investment advice from this, because this is all just timed very perfectly with only pure luck. So it's probably going to be 100% different when you start this experiment, but we're just over a longer period it becomes more clear what was the most wise decision to do, because you can chase high token rewards on one blockchain, but if the value of the tokens go up on a chain that has less token rewards, you're still more profitable choosing that strategy. So this is a fun experiment. I hope you keep following us. I'm gonna wrap it up. Thank you for watching. See you in episode 7 next Sunday. If you want to join the AMA, you can join us on Discord. The link is in the description. If you have any questions, we are very happy to help you out.